Hi friends, welcome to Little Joys. We hope you're all doing well. Thank you for your valuable support and comments.
If you haven't watched our previous videos, please watch them and subscribe to our channel.
Please follow us on our Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. The links are down below. We are getting more support and comments. Thank you all and keep us supporting us. Nowadays, we spend more time with our family.
So why can't we watch our favorite movies, cartoons, videos on a big screen?
Today, we're going to show you how to make a big screen with the items available at home. The principle behind this is that any light from a source, when passing through a convex lens, gets converged and inverted, then magnified. This is the same principle used in projection systems and projectors. It is also the same thing happening in our eyes. When light bounces through from an object and hits our eyes acts like a convex lens and the image gets converged and inverted. So basically we see it as inverted. But our brain processes and re-inverts it so we can see everything correctly and clearly. So let's start. The materials needed are a cardboard box, a piece of cardboard, magnifying glass, black plastic sheet. You can also use black paper, black paint and so on. A pencil so you can mark out the measurements, scissors, sellotape, double-sided tape and a mobile to display your favorite movies and videos. So let's start. So the first step is to open the box. Okay. Then on this flap over here, we have to put the magnifying glass on the center and we have to trace it. Then we have to cut out this portion. Okay, I've cut this part. Now we have to keep this correctly and we have to cut a C-shaped structure so we can keep the phone in hold like this. So we have to keep it correctly so we can focus it. So I'm going to cut out the excess piece. I have cut the excess part over here. So this is basically to mount the phone. So when we are doing like this, we can mount the phone and give it focus. So this way we can move it here and see where it gets focused. And now we are going to cover the inside part with black plastic sheet. This is why this is because we want the light to be, we want in the inside to be fully dark, so the only light source is the mobile's one. So I'm going to just tape some. So I have covered the inside of the box as well as the mobile stand. You can also use black paper or black paint. It's your choice. So now I'm going to fix the sides and with tape. I have completely fixed the boxes and it's sturdy. Now we are going to fix the magnifying glass. So I'm going to take the magnifying glass and place it on the place we cut out, and I'm going to secure it with some tape. On the other side too. Now since the magnifying glass makes inverted image and we want to view the image properly, we are going to adjust the phone and make it upside down. Now I am going to show you the mobile stand. So I've already placed the mobile on the mobile stand with double-sided tape, and since the magnifying glass shows inverted images, we have to adjust the mobile to be upside down, and in modern smartphone there is no feature to disable it. So we have to install an app called App Rotate, and we have to set it to in landscape mode, and we have to keep it upside down. You should also keep in mind that you have to put it in 100% brightness. So I'm going to fix the mobile mount. After mounting the mobile, to get a clear and sharp image, we have to get the correct focal length. So what we have to do is play a video, and from the back to the front, slowly adjust it, and when you get a clear and sharp projection, we have to keep it there and close the lid and test it out in a dark room. So let's try it. We hope you like this video. Please try this at home. With a few materials, you can see your favorite movies, videos and cartoons on a big screen. So please consider subscribing, like, share and give us feedback on how to improve our channel. Until next time, Little Joy signing out.